Day 2 for Army Recognition editorial team at MSPO 2017, the International Defense Industry Exhibition in Kielce, Poland. This year, the lead nation is South Korea, and we will focus today to the South Korean defense industry.
We Koreans have the concrete policy to defend our Korea territory and also people. So we Korea defense entities have been working for more than 15 years. And that the MND, Korea MND, was invited from your policy MND. Because of that, we think Poland have the great possibility to cooperate with together. Especially we already have the example of the contract, such as that the Cobra, that self-propelled howitzers. So we, Korea, provide that platform for your Cobra. This is just the example. So we can have the great opportunity to cooperate together in the industrial as well as the defense area. That's the reason why we are here. We in Korea have the three sectors. One is that the government part, MND, and also that the DAPA. They are leading that project regarding of the approval of the project and also requirement generations. With that approval project, ADD are leading the project, responsible of the technical point, with the support of the industry. So that is our ADD region, our function of that. In Korea, we have so many various fields of the defense areas. For example, from the Air Force, ground force, and also that to Navy. So we deal with the various fields of all kinds of defense products. For example, there are 4 main Korean industrial companies, Hana, LRG. They are specifically in the precise guidance missiles, and also Hana is that with that K9, the howitzers. So I think we, at this moment, we Korea industrial covered all kinds of the weapon systems. But now I can tell you, with the Poland cooperation, so we can start with the seed of your Cobra for the cooperation. We are not now regarding to that K9, the howitzers. We export that weapon system to your Poland as well as the northern European areas. So we are ready to cooperation to the worldwide countries, especially anyone you can do that for the peace of the world.
Hanwha is pleased to be here in Poland to attend the first as a lead nation for this occasion. Hanwha is in fact the largest defense contractor out of South Korea. We have 4 divisions and we are currently ranked number 12 in the world as far as the largest industry. Our portfolio extends from artillery systems to infantry fighting vehicles to air defense systems, ammunitions, explosives, and sonar, fire control system, battle management system. So we have quite a wide portfolio within our organization. So this is not the first time. We have been involved in the Polish program with the CRUB, SPH. We are supplying the chassis and our partner, HSW, is integrating the system for the Polish Armed Forces. We have decided to attend this forum to showcase other areas of possible collaboration activity between Polish industry and the South Korean industries. And we are hoping to lead this venture through. The system that we are proposing is based on an open architecture. So it makes the integration activity of different subcomponents into our system much, much easier. Also, the design facet of our gun system is based on user-friendliness. So in other words, to be able to learn how to use the system takes very short time. And it's designed for conscripts. So therefore, its main function is simplicity. This is the K-10, which is the ammunition resupply vehicle. It has 104 rounds. It's capable of transferring 12 rounds per minute. It's armored, exactly the same chassis as the K9, so therefore reducing the logistic support requirements. It provides 100 rounds of shell to be fired from one single K9 for 2 guns. So on daily rate, we are able to fire more than 200 rounds from 2 guns in one day. Over here is the K21. This particular vehicle is the South Korea's infantry fighting vehicle, amphibious, and carries 40mm chain gun. It's the infantry fighting vehicle currently in use by the Korean Army. This is hybrid BHO. This is an anti-aircraft gun system with twin-barrel 30mm with rocket systems for incoming aircraft detection. It has been deployed with the Korean Army recently and has been the forefront of our air defense systems. On top is Chonmu. This is the Korean variant of the high-mast type vehicle. So it's capable of firing up to 130 kilometers, ranging 3 different types of rocket systems, and has been, again, it's one of those new type of vehicles that has been deployed with the South Korean Army.
Our company called the LIG Next One is one of the leading defense company in Korea with our sales revenue of about 7 billion zlotys. We're specialized in the precision-guided missiles as well as the sensor areas. This is actually our first time in Poland displaying our products. We have studied the modernization plan of the Poland and have found out that our precision-guided missile could be a good option to enhance the already strong armed forces of the Polish army. In the past, LIG Next One's export activities were a bit small. But now we have grown so big in Korea, it is our time to expand our reach in the European market as well. Right now, we are trying to infiltrate into the European market. We have not made any success yet, but we're trying our best efforts to make sure that we provide the best solution to the needed countries in Europe. I'd like to explain about some of the key products we're displaying during this MSPO 2017. Our first initial product is called the SAM. It is designed to intercept enemy incoming anti-ship missile. The reason we brought this product is because we know there are some maritime requirements of the Baltic Sea areas. So this is a fairly new product of the LIG Next One. We think will make a good approach to the Polish Navy. The following 2 products is called the 130mm guided rockets and 2.75-inch guided rockets. These are the anti-ship missile, has a multi-purpose and it's a very cost-effective weapon that Korea is adopting these days. For the 2.75 130mm, it uses the image infrared seeker, which provides a better performance compared to the conventional laser-guided weapon systems. We think we will be able to bring a good solution to the Polish Navy. In South Korea, we are faced constant threat from the other countries. So it is critical to ensure the security of our forces and our nation. It is our hope that we could be a help to contribute to the Polish armed forces using our weapon system and help you to build a better, stronger military forces. We are very much open to provide the transfer of technology as well as conducting local production in Poland of our key products. So we are already in coordination with one of the Poland, the company called the Pagach. We're in a close relationship. We'll look into more cooperation in the future and for the local production as well.